Hello everyone. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is showing the African National Congress flames in KwaZulu-Natal. Umkhonto kaZuma uyagwaza and the IEC is still counting the results. People in KwaZulu-Natal have chosen their own president and it seems like it's Jacob Zuma. They said no to uhulumeni kaDuma uNamandla. One of the account on Twitter is busy sharing the KZN results and Umkhonto weSizwe Party is taking over. The name of the account is Busi. People in South Coast are choosing Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The Konya Primary School voting station in Margate, I have chosen Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The results are Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting on 58%. African National Congress is sitting on 31%. Inkatha Freedom Party is sitting at 3%. ATM is sitting at 2%. EFF is sitting at 1%. DA is sitting at 1%. The voting station from Ndabekona Primary School, Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting at 59%. African National Congress is sitting at 34%. The Democratic Alliance is sitting at 2%. Economic Freedom Fighters is sitting at 1%. The ENCA News also reported the results. African National Congress in KwaZulu-Natal is sitting at 11%. Umkhonto weSizwe is sitting at 66% so far. DA is sitting at 3%. EFF is sitting at 8%. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.